I am Brinda. Here we are going to discuss about V by F control method. Speed control of three-phase induction motor using V by F method. Brief theory of V by F method. Let's begin with the basic formula of EMF, which is equal to 4.44 frequency into maximum flux into number of turns. E equal to 4.44 F by M N. E equal to induced EMF 4.44 equal to constant, and this is the frequency. Maximum flux depends upon the EMF. V equal to 4.44 F by N. V equal to applied voltage. V by F equal to 4.44 pi mN. Generally, for an induction motor, 4.44 pi mN is actually a constant. So, we can write that V by F equal to constant. In this voltage value against variable frequency, the frequency is increased till the rated value, but behind the rated value, voltage is constant. This is the characteristics equation of V by F control of induction motor. Next basic concept is torque and omega. P equal to T into omega. P equal to output power, T equal to load torque. Omega equal to 2 by F frequency. Frequency Ns synchronous frequency per speed equal to 120 F divided by P. P equal to number of poles. How frequency changes? It is based on the desired rotor speed n star. We need to change the frequency, but which the synchronous speed of hence the actual rotor speed n. How to change the voltage with respect to frequency? As the frequency is increases or decreases, the voltage also has to increases or decreases. Implementation of closed loop V by F control PVM. Closed loop system is used where precise speed control is required because even any external disturbance is happened. Closed loop system identifies and maintains desired rotor speed n star we want. First step is the sense the actual rotor speed n using speed sensor. The desired rotor speed n star can be n star and n. Both n star and n is compared in the error generator and generated the error which is equal to n star minus n. Next, this error is given to PI controller. The job of PI controller is to change its output until input error is 0. So, the output of the PI controller is desired slip frequency. Slip frequency equal to F minus Fn. In induction motor, torque is proportional to slip speed. That is why the PI speed control in induction motor is considered as slip frequency. Next, this slip frequency has to be regulated using slip regulator, that it will restrict the operation below the breakdown frequency at which maximum torque developed in the induction motor. Now, the slip frequency is added to rotor speed frequency Fn, which we can get by multiplying rotor speed with P by 120. So, we will get desired frequency F star. The desired frequency F star is converted to omega star by multiplying it with 2 pi now omega star to omega t. By doing integration now with this desired voltage V star and angle omega t star, we can able to get 3 sinusoidal signal PVM control circuit. To avoid confusion, first convert into two sinusoidal signal V alpha and V beta will have 90-degree phase shift. Now this desired two-phase V alpha and V beta is converted into three-phase VA star, VB star and VC star is using inverse Clark transformation. Finally, decide VA star, VB star and VC star will be given to PWM control circuit where it will be compared to triangular carrier signal. Generated the gate signal for switches in the inverter, and at least the inverter will give desired voltage and frequency based on the desired motor speed given. Thank you.